Welcome back to another video. This is my second video of the day. So yeah, let's get into it. So right now I'm going to be doing a top-down analysis on natural gas USD. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start off by drawing structure. Like you can see this trend line here, which held perfectly recently, and let's clone this and place it as support. And just adjust it to make it fit, like so. So now we've done this, we can sort of already see, so natural gas prices will go up to the top. Well, that's not really how it works. To make sure the market is seeing our idea, we need to make sure that we can get the best confirmations for this trade as possible. So as you can see here, price didn't even break this support structure and it held perfectly here. And even if it did break and it did end up touching this channel bottom, I wouldn't be surprised, because my idea is that I think natural gas prices will go up to recent highs, since we're at a key support level which has been holding since 2009, since early 2009. So more than a decade, this support has been holding. So a break of this would mean very bearish. Will have very bearish connotations. But I don't think that this support will be broken even to touch this channel bottom, this short-term channel bottom, but I wouldn't be surprised if it did. So to get the best confirmation of this trade, I would wait for a break of structure, like maybe even a break of this support here, as you can see. We'll switch it to line chart real quick. Not how you can actually go to line. And can we find the key level here? Yes, we can. We'll switch this to thin and we'll make it red. So this is the price, so I'll just edit this. Give me a moment. Coordinates, we'll add a 5 at the end. So 2.115. A break of this structure and maybe even a retest of it. We could look for a long stop loss just below, so we can go back to candles now. Stop loss just below this level here, maybe at 1.45. We'll remove the 6 here. 4.5. Entry 1.15 as well. And you can, sorry, instead of dragging the whole thing, you can have your take profit at 4.4 maybe. But what we'll do here is get the 1.618 fib level. Wherever it is. We'll do style and 1.618. My fib's the wrong way around. Give me a second. Sorry for the awkward silence. I'm just wondering why and how my fib is the wrong way around. So there we have it. Just delete it. So yeah, now we've got it drawn out. We can put our take profit at the 2.618 level. That wouldn't bother me. That would just, you can see here, if price was to go up, that would be a perfect double top. So I don't disregard the idea. So we can have our first take profit at the 1.618 and style inputs actually make that to 4.8. Perfect. And we'll get this and remove this add. Not now. Right, so we'll replace the 0.786 and the 0.618 with the 1. Like so. So this is my trade idea for natural gas USD with an entry at 2.115. And price looks to make a double bottom now, so we could even buy the double bottom, and of course that would provide a much better risk to reward. You can see at 1.7, the risk to reward would be 1 to 12.4, so that's almost a perfect trade. But we should have better confirmations here, so leave this like this. Let's go down to the daily chart and then the 4-hour chart to see what we can find. So we switch it to line again. And we'll go back to candles. And you can see this level that once served as support serving as resistance here again. Very respected level. This could be our first higher high of the possible move to an uptrend. So we're just trying to find the best confirmations. This could be a retest here, clone this, perfect channel here, and price broke and retested it. This could be a perfect opportunity for longs with a stop loss at 1.144, just below the support level. And you could have a take profit at the start of structure, which would be here, or you can use the 1.618 level. Sorry if I can. And we'll switch this to arrow. So switch this back to cross. I'm not used to having it as arrow. So yeah, take profit just here. And yeah, this very good trade setup. Better risk reward than this one. This one is 1 to 4. This one is 1 to 10 plus. So this trade is definitely more favorable. Just edit this, make it 1 to 10. This trade is more favorable, as you can see the retest. And yeah, just let me know what you think in the comments, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe for more content. We do daily videos. This is my second video of the day. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying it. Remove this setup, and now this is the 4-hour. Now, as price just broke and retested this, another great channel here. Very good channel that we can see on the 4-hour here. You can see triple top here, and price broke, retested it here. Which leads me to believe that price isn't ready for a buy, so this trade would take quite a long time to come into fruition. I still think that, sorry, let me get this out again. Still think that a break of this is possible, and we could see move back down. Back down to this weekly level. We'll go back to the weekly. Save this first. We'll go back to the weekly. and this channel bottom here is into play, definitely, don't get me wrong. Go back to the 4 hour. So yeah, if we see this level broken, then definitely we can start to see lower levels, which makes this trade not one for now. Maybe we can let this sit aside to set up well for a couple of weeks, months or so. But this trade looks like a very good one for us, and yeah, we'll just keep watching it on a daily or weekly basis. Now if we want to go even lower to the 15-minute time frame, what can we see here? Not much. We can see here an expanding wedge pattern got broke and retested. So yeah, it's all about identifying key structures. You don't need to be a pro trader to do this. As you know me, I'm only 14 years old, I'm only 14 years old, and I can already do this, so any skill level trader can identify key structures. As you can see here, another possible expanding pattern. So yeah, just keep looking at possible levels where price could, react to. So this is the 15-minute time frame. We can see, price head back up to these highs here. That's a possibility. But overall, I still think that this trade still needs to, we'll go back to the 4 hour time frame. This trade still needs to break and retest this support. As you know, we broke this channel, retested it. And this correction here, we need to break and retest this and go back to the weekly and actually the daily. And there you have it. This is how I plan, this is how I analyze. Back to the weekly. So yeah, you can see here, you've just witnessed me do a top-down analysis from the weekly chart all the way down to the 15-minute chart. Like that, boom. And now the chart looks messy, but you've seen it, you can rewatch this video. And this works, this type of analysis isn't just restricted to Forex. You can do it on stocks, commodities, metals, gases, oil, like what I'm doing here. So I hope you've learned something. This is technical analysis, and this is how it's done. So yeah, like I said recently, please show me support by liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel and help me get to at least 100 subs. Thank you, and I hope to see you back for another video. Oh, and a very quick thing, you can see here, this support level got broke and retested here, and ever since price has just dropped. So this is a flag pattern. You can see here the flagpole, the correction, and then another flagpole to top this up. And anyway, yeah, I hope to see you back for another video tomorrow. Well, I might do another video today, just top-down analysis on a forex pair like USD CHF. I'm gonna release a video on that. I've already recorded it, and yeah, I'm planning to do a video of me just explaining and going over the pairs which I have on my watch list for this week. So that will be interesting. Yeah, I hope you like it. So thank you for watching this video and take care.